Hello, general math students. As we go into full distance learning starting December 1st, I wanted to kind of give you a look at what you can expect to see in Schoology. That kind of gives you an introduction to what you're going to be doing for the week. Every week I'll put a new assignment in Schoology and I'll show you where that's going to be, but it's going to be labeled with the date of the week so that you know what you're going to be doing for that week. So this week is November 16th through 20th, and we're going to talk about what you're going to do. So in Schoology, you'll have to remember this is my stuff. You're going to see the planner learning map. You're going to see the competencies. You're not going to see this stuff. That's not there. You'll see integers, and you will see fractions because that will be published as soon as I'm done getting everything in there. So we're starting the unit of fractions. So you are going to go to your fractions folder in Schoology. So here is where the video is going to be. This is the video you are watching now. Every week I'll have a new week with a video attached that'll explain what you're going to do. This week, you are doing lessons 2.1 and 2.2. You have until Friday, so you'll notice the due date is Friday the 20th for both of them. You'll have until Friday to do it. This week, we'll have some class time to talk about it, but otherwise it'll be distance learning. I'll also have a description of where things are going to be at. This one should say this whole thing is in Go Formative. Here, everything is attached to 2.1 is in Go Formative, sorry. 2.2, everything is in Schoology. So we're going to be talking about our at-home learning schedule. Cohort 1, you guys have this now. Cohort 2, you'll be getting it on Wednesday. Everything for Cohort 1 is in red. Everything for Cohort 2 is in blue. So I have all my general classes in here. So Cohort 1, you guys are going to be meeting on Mondays and Tuesdays. 2.1, you'll be at 11:05. 3.1, you'll be at 1:25. And 3.2, you'll be on Tuesdays at 2:20. And everybody has the same code, Hovey Math. It's just going to be the same code for the Google Meet every single time. Cohort 2, once you guys get this, you guys are Wednesdays and Thursdays. So on Wednesdays, Cohort 2, 2.1 is going to be meeting at 11:05, 3.1 at 1:25, and 3.2, you guys are on Thursdays at 2:20. We'll be talking about this in class, so if you have questions, I'll answer them there. You have to check in with me at least once a week. Once a week, I expect you to check in with me. The easiest thing is come to the Google Meets. That will be your check-in. If you don't make those, you're going to have to set up a time to meet with me at a different time. We're also, down at the bottom of that page, we're also clarifying the best place to find your work for each class. So the top of each page in Schoology is our Panther Team Planner and Learning Map. Go there first for assignments. But then, like I said, it's also going to be listed in Schoology with this video and in the assignments. But Schoology is also where I'm going to make any announcements and updates. So pay attention to those updates. Your homework, generally speaking, is always going to be in either Schoology or Go Formative, one of the two. That's where your videos are going to be, your lessons, and your homework. So again, just to recap, first place you're going to go is the learning map. Then go to Schoology, look for this video for the week, and your homework and videos are either in Schoology or Go Formative. And I'll have that clear as to where it's going to be. Like I said, we're going to be talking more about this in class, and we'll have lots of time for questions and to get everything clarified. Have a good week.